Alright, welcome back. I've assembled the little solenoid unit here, the kicker, and to show you how smooth it works, right? See how it snaps right back? That's what you want. You want that nice, no play, just really smooth. That's the way it's supposed to work. It's not supposed to go and then slowly creep back. It's supposed to go just like that. So, quick little fix. This is a very common thing that happens in a lot of games. Sometimes intentionally, because people try to oil these things and the oil attracts dust. Other times it just gets naturally crapped up because this ball is up there bouncing around, collecting all kinds of crap on it, and this is where it always ends up inevitably. So it tends to get a lot of junk and dust in here. So now it's nice and clean. This is dry. There is no actual lubrication. This spray silicone that I use that more almost like a cleaner. I spray it on the metal parts and then I wipe it off. If there's any tiny little film, it's certainly not going to attract any kind of dust. So there you have it. Good to go. For more, visit the website pinballhelp.com and feel free to leave comments, feedback. I appreciate this. Anybody that's paying any attention, I'm just trying to share, and I hope somebody out there benefits from it. Thanks.